5 key benefits of mapping. Part of what makes drones such a valuable technology is their ability to collect large volumes of data. Outputs include orthomosaics, digital elevation models, and 3D models. 1. Accurate. The accuracy is one of the drone's strongest benefits and a key reason why it is a popular survey method. They carry out all tasks a land surveyor performs. 2. Time effective. Compared to other surveying methods, drone surveys can be completed in less time, as drones are able to cover large areas of land and structures within an hour of arriving. 3. Cost effective. Drones are faster and therefore reduces surveying costs. Reduced time on site equals a significant saving on the project. 4. Improved health and safety. Surveyors are often put in harm's way, which poses a risk to the health and safety of those involved with the survey. Drones eliminate these risks. 5. Easy access. Drones allow for easy access to hard-to-reach locations, with minimal downtime and disruption required. Using a pre-planned flight path, drones can capture data for towers, masts, roofs, and wind turbines with ease.